So today I got something interesting to show you. Every restaurant you go to gets a delivery of grease, I'll call it. Some people say oil, but I don't think it's oil because it needs to be heated to form a liquid. It's originally solid. So McDonald's oil, for example, it's a solid like all the rest, but it's a secret recipe. Even the driver doesn't know what the cooking grease is. I asked the driver, hey, I've been here a long time. Do you know what this stuff is that you're delivering? Hey man, nobody knows. They have a guy that comes, visits the facility, and makes sure that the ingredients aren't shared and it's a secret. Today, I'm gonna show you dumping out the black oil, the black cooking grease that's been there for a while, and then they're gonna sell it to someone for either biodiesel fuel or makeup for women. So the old stuff's going out, they're gonna sell that, and the new stuff's coming in, and you're gonna see it all, what I do, how I do it. And when I leave here, I'm burnt, I'm tired, and I just wanna rest. That's why I wish I could post more videos, but I'm just tired after I get out of here. But for the next week, I'm gonna focus on videos and the business. So I wanna explain to you what's gonna happen now. See this white pad here? That's called the filter pad. The oil goes through that pad into this box. This is the filter box. It goes underneath the fryer, and all the oil goes into this box through that pad, and it filters the crumbs out of the oil. So every day I gotta pull this out and clean the crumbs out of it and change the pad. So that's what I'm gonna show you that I'm doing now. After I do this, we're gonna go change the cooking grease. For my YouTube channel. This is for my YouTube channel. Say what's up. It's my YouTube channel.
What's up, bro? I'm Angel, the kid over here, bro.
I'm showing them like the oil filter, like that's the old pad. I got the new pad right here. This is the new one. I changed the old one for the new one. So after you hit the dispose button, the oil goes into these tanks. The fresh oil is in this tank here. This little mechanism on top heats it so it could go through the lines because it's an actual solid. So on the next vat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what happens when the animal lard or cooking grease or whatever it is, it's the secret recipe. They have a guy from corporate to safeguard the recipe at the factory. Nobody knows what it is except for the head honchos. It's a secret recipe. I just want to reiterate one thing. It's not just McDonald's that cooks in that cooking grease, that hard lard. It's all of them. They all cook in that. It's the delivery company said that they all get that same kind of hard lard, but McDonald's is the only one that safeguards its recipe at the factory, so nobody knows what it is. Super expensive. Whatever it is, it's the most expensive item in the restaurant. Each vat that I filled today, the 6 vats, is about $75 to $100 each vat to fill. So say it's about $450, $500 if you're talking about $75 each. So it's a super expensive item. It's a secret recipe. Nobody knows what it is except for who knows who. King McDonald.